The one you've been waiting for. PC upgrade kit. Boom. Good luck, everyone. Thank you very much. In this competition, there's the quad-core i7-4709K, the Asus ROG motherboard, and their 2 8 gigs of RAM. Alright, so what I did, I went and got everyone's name, because it was 30,000 and it's going to take a while to do it. And I put them into the alphabetizer, and then I put them in the random name chooser. But first, you're going to see the VIP entries. Thank you very much. And then you're going to see after that the guys that donated $1 and $2 here and there. I wish you all the best. I really do hope that the winner contacts me, otherwise I'll just redraw it until it goes. Here we go. We're into Rafflecopter. No, Rafflecopter Woo Box. Is it? Yep. Yeah. There's the guys that donated a few dollars just there. Alrighty, up we go. Woo Box entries. It's gonna take a while. Sit back and relax. Next month is the graphics card, GTX. That's going to be drawn not in a month, only in 3 weeks, so jump all over it if I was you. The Alienware, I looked on the internet, it's going to be delivered tomorrow, so he's going to post photos tomorrow. All the Thermaltake gear, that had to go to Indonesia, so he'll post photos as soon as that's arrived. I've got all the receipts here of when I've posted them. So everything's been tracked now. So yeah, thank you very much. Well, running up to P. I'm going to take him out because it gives you people a better chance, doesn't it? What's that shit? So if you just be patient with me, and I'll give you a better chance. We're up to P's. I've been playing Montas. Someone asked me to play Montas. It's in the bundle at Bundle Stars. I started playing it. It's fucking crazy. I don't know what it's about. It's supposed to be a horror game, but yeah, it's a bit mental. It was alright. It's okay, I guess. Look at the names, guys. Look at these names. Up to ends. We're nearly halfway. I've got my, with my new PC, I've just finished my old one. I just put a R9 270X in it, and it's got just your average gaming box, but you can play most of the games, so I'm going to give that away next week. How's that sound? So it'll be a graphics card and my old PC gaming box that you can have. Because all I want to do is give stuff away. Come on. A little bit more shit, was it? Yep. Wouldn't you be burning if you knew that was you? Huh? You're fucking burning. The world would hurt forever if you seen your name getting taken out. Have you guys gone over to XY Gaming and checked it out? Wagering on competitions and matches. I can't wait for that to start. You want to play me? You want to play against me for some money? Hey? I'm going to pull out the big bucks. I'm just kidding. Alrighty, eyes. Ooh, Iggy's got a few referrals. Oh, wow, look at this. Look at this. That's a good chance for you guys. See ya, pal. See ya, pal. Look at that. That's a good couple hundred referrals there. Oh, probably about 100. I'd never want to get rid of Ivan Clay. Oh, there's a fucking ad going on. Copyright. Alrighty, just a few more here. H. Alright, let's speed it up a little bit. So if you don't see your name, contact Woobox. When I was looking for my Excel program yesterday, there was a couple of links that people posted and it just gave me fucking viruses on a brand new computer. Yeah, those things where it pop out, update your Windows drivers and shit. Oh, I was so pissed off. I know you're only trying to help. Hey Demetrio, might do a shout out video soon. Just to the guys that are constantly on my page, helping me and promoting my page. You guys rock. I know who you are. I know every time you share. Alrighty, that should be nearly it until we get up to the top. Oh, look at this. Wow. You're probably sitting there laughing, are you? I bet you are. Wow. Come on. See ya, mate. Dickhead. Right, now that should be it. Till we get up the top. Good luck finding your name in this. Could take a little while. This is the most popular competition, but I think that the graphics card is going to be that really... People laugh at graphics cards all the time. Come on, hurry up. Alright, here we go. I thought I seen some there. My eyes are getting sore looking at this. Come on, let's go, hurry up. Alex. Jeez, a few people got lots of referrals, didn't they? Like I said, if you catch someone posting if you catch an admin posting their referrals on their page, you tell me. You tell me. Like, you yourself can post your referral anywhere you want, but as long as you're not an admin on the page, you can't post it on your own page. Alright, F, D. Yes, we're getting up there. Thank Christ. Now we've just got the shit up the top. Oh, that's going. That's going. Manuel John can stay there. That can go. Idiot. That can go. Oh, that can stay, I guess. That can go. Really? Why is it frozen? Oh, there we go. I can go. I can go. I can go. Come on, guys. Fuck me dead. You think I want to be sitting here doing this all day? There we go. Alrighty. The winner of the PC upgrade kit is Jeremy Lee. Well done, Jeremy. You got 48 hours to contact me and collect your prize. That name sounds familiar. I hope it's a regular. I will see you later, guys. I'm out of here. Bye.